What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel.
So at the time of us filming this, it is our Thanksgiving here in Canada.
For all the holidays, Amanda makes these really good cream cheese tarts, so we're going to show you how she does it.
Let's go. Here's the recipe. It's super simple. It only has 6 ingredients. We have our icing sugar, our cream cheese, and our vanilla pudding mix, Cool Whip, our milk, yes, ours comes in bags, and any kind of frozen tart shells that you have in your grocery store. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven for the tarts to get those going. Ours is 375 Fahrenheit. So while that's warming up, I'm just going to place the tarts on a baking sheet. This is what they look like. I got the mini ones just because it's easier to eat 6 at a time. First, we're going to mix the icing sugar and the whole brick of cream cheese into one bowl. Gotta open a new bag. And it tends to be messy, so I'm gonna do it over the bowl. Doesn't have to be exact, it just has to be close to it. Icing sugar. And then the whole brick of the cream cheese. You can use any kind, but Philadelphia just tastes different. Don't drop it in. I've done that before. It makes a huge mess. Just place it in there softly. Our garbage. Then you just beat this until it's nice and smooth. Alright. I just scrape the sides. So that's all in there. And then set that aside. And next, we're going to mix a whole package of vanilla pudding mix. You don't have to get name brand things, but I only use this one, so. So we're gonna mix this. I'll say that. So we're gonna mix this vanilla pudding mix with a cup of milk. That's half. And that's 1. I just mix it with a fork. Usually let that sit until it gets a bit thicker. Alright, so our oven's preheated. We're just going to put the tarts in there. They cook for about 12 to 14 minutes. We'll take them out, let them cool, and then we'll fill it with our filling. Alright, so this has been sitting. You can see it's much thicker. So then we're going to combine both of these and add our Cool Whip. So I'm actually just going to use this. Gotta get every last bit in. Just gonna mix it until it's really well combined, because you can still see bits of the yellow from the pudding mix. Now the Cool Whip. It says 1 cup. I do around 1 cup, because who doesn't love Cool Whip? And again, we're just going to mix all of that together. Again, you want to mix it until the Cool Whip can't be seen separate. You can still see some of the white in there. You want to mix it really well. Alright. And that is it for the filling. So we just have to wait for our tarts to cook and cool, and then we can fill them with this delicious. The timer went off. It's time to take our tarts out of the oven so they don't burn. Whew. You just want them to be a little bit golden brown, because they'll still cook while they're resting on the counter. There's those ones. So we're gonna let those sit and cool. Once that's done, we will fill them. So the tarts are cooled. We have our delicious filling right here. I have done this before and it worked, so we're gonna see if it works again. To pipe it, instead of spooning it into the tarts, just because it makes it more even and everybody gets about the same in each tart. Don't forget to taste your work. Alright. So I will squeeze out all of the excess air. I cut a pretty decent sized hole just so that it comes out nice and even. Alright, it's gonna look like you don't have enough, but I promise you, you will. You can do different, patterns of putting it in. If you want to be fancy, you can add fruit to it. I've put strawberries on it before. My aunt has put kiwi on it before. It's really good with fruit because it's almost like a cream cheese dip. Just enough. That's it. Now we try it. Got it?
Very nice. It's in my mustache.
But really good. Usually, you'll put them in the fridge, let them cool for a little bit so the filling gets colder, but sometimes you just can't wait.
Yeah, I definitely can't wait. But there you guys have it. You saw the recipe, you watched how Amanda did it, and you watched us eat it. Now it's your turn to try it.